It all began in June 1961 with a small and what then would have seemed a rather insignificant step for the people of Trivandrum. This first small step was in reality a giant step towards the transformation of the educational landscape of Kerala.
This year, we are celebrating Diamond Jubilee of the school. School was started on 21st of June 1961 in Palayam. And next year, we are shifted to Manvilla. And in 1963, Kerala School started functioning from the Srikakulam campus. The school has undergone tremendous change and immense growth over these years.
The idea of a coffee table book was mooted by Father P.T. Joseph S.J., our principal, in November 2020. He sought the help of LOBA to curate the book, and a Diamond Jubilee Souvenir Advisory Board comprising 10 old boys of the school was formed, and they took on the task of transforming an emotion into a book that would be a collector's delight.
Somewhere towards the end of 2019, with the pandemic raging around us, all of us, mostly in our hometown, I get a call from Ranjan Chetan. Ranjan Chetan introduces to me that he is a Loyola old boy. And then he tells me the batch which he is in. I'm like, for a moment, struck as to how would I address him. And then he tells me that it's fine, you can address me whatever you want. And then he tells me that, okay, we are trying to put in something called a Diamond Jubilee Souvenir. Would you be able to work with me along with the team to bring this out? I said, okay, fine. Very well, I can work with you. And that's where this started off with. And then, what were the first things that we did? We started off with the Google group, we started off with the WhatsApp group, and the ball started rolling quite fast from there on. And that's where I met AKG.
That's where I met the whole team, in fact, completely online, thanks to the pandemic. And what started off as a small conversation, it just skyrocketed into something that we see right now here. Every single part of this has been done by a Loyalite, old boy or new boy. Even the cover design. And the cover design, once you get it in your hands, you'll know that it is actually symbolic of the soccer hall. It's been a wonderful team. Seriously, it's unbelievable really how it is.
I would specifically like to thank Ranjan Chetan, who made all this possible. It won't be correct if I don't thank James Thomas sir also, and all the group members of the DJCD. Specifically thank each of them in having made this a reality.
And it was a vibrant group which was very helpful during the last year, especially with the pandemic and everything that has been going on, when everybody's moods were not as light or happy as it should have been. One of our main solaces at the end of the week was catching up with loyalites from all ages, just discussing and having a fun conversation on how to get about this, and having a strong opinion on everything, like anything from a photograph to the layout of the book. And I feel that healthy conversation actually ended up in bringing this about. And like AKG Chetan was saying earlier, this is a representation of all loyalists, and hopefully this would stay on as an inspiration for loyalists in the future.
I think one of the biggest things about working in the editorial board was looking forward to those weekly and fortnightly calls, where it was like a lot of boys with vibrant ideas. It brought me back to the Laughers days. It was fun, and I started looking forward to it. And the entire team had a ball of a time just working on this endeavor. And if you just look at the souvenir, you'd see that spirit, the spirit of Loyola boys working together and bouncing ideas of each other, having debates about you want this, let's not put this, and all of that. It just brings together the spirit of what Loyola is. I think the one thing that this souvenir represents is everything that each Loyola boy would have gone through in the 60 years of the school coming to place. And this is a testament to all of that.
60 years in history is not a very long period. However, if within 60 years an institution has grown in the manner that Loyola School Trivandrum has, it becomes worthy of being chronicled for posterity. This really is the genesis of the coffee table book, 60 Years of Loyola. Sit back and enjoy this incredible journey through Loyola School's history.